very long speech of the time spent seeing lakhs of students, music, fashion, in charge of Mitibai, long back. 80% of Bollywood stars are my students. This college is in the heart of Bollywood creators. So I thought that Mitibai. And why not to have International Film Festival, first time in India in Mitibai. And these children, they are wonderful children. I believe that our generation was not disciplined compared to this children's generation. This is my observation. They are smart children. I never interfered within these 3 days in their activities. And the matinee project is the name given by this person. And another is Karan. Where is Karan? I thought that the festival should be born. The baby is just of 3 days old. So it will live long till Mitibai lasts. All this, this is Karan Thakur. This is Ali. And where is that long one? Kevin. And Nadir. Now, what is that? Amazing team made me think of this idea to be rooted in the soil of Juhu, that too in Mitibai. I'm so proud, meaningful, so fruitful that these people have given. Can you imagine this? SVKM is very much kind to provide us theatres. These people pursued no sponsors. No college in India, perhaps in the world, has this kind of zero budget festival. I'm so proud of you, and they have shown that they're very disciplined, they're very deserving, and the parents, please note that they are more disciplined than us. Thank you.
Good evening.
चाचा ही है
और मुझे यहाँ आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और आप लोगों ने जो काम किया मैंने देखा और इंशाल्लाह जब
पहले आप ही आ जाओ यार
मैं हमेशा आऊँगा।
अरे रुको भाई,
आपने जितने आप लोगों ने काम किया बहुत अच्छा काम किया, उसके बाद उसके लिए मेरे पास कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है, लेकिन आप बहुत अच्छा काम किए और आप आगे और बढ़ते रहिए और जो भी हम लोग का सहयोग होगा वो हम हमेशा आपके साथ में हैं। सो थैंक यू, थैंक्स।
And the winner is?
The winner is Chaturanga.
या तो शूट करने दे, कर लो अपना काम।
Was also Jay Bansal. Congratulations to Jay. The nominees are Proximity, Recurrence, and Epilogue. So could you please have a few words from?
जिसकी लास्ट फिल्म हिट होती है वो ज्यादा बोलता है।
It's been a tremendous pleasure watching these films. It's been a pleasure judging them. It's been a pleasure being here and being here this morning as part of a panel discussion. I mean, I have been in this college for a very short time actually, but I've always cherished my time here, and I'm so glad to see the way it's improved, the facilities and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, and great job, guys. Seriously, fantastic job.
Mitibai is my favorite college because I was here for a couple of months. I was here for a couple of months, then I went to ANM, and then I went to engineering college. It is also from SVKM, Bhagubhai Nobathal Polytechnic. And those days there were no girls in that college. So most of the time I was here. So this college has given me a lot of things, inspired me a lot. Whatever love stories, romantic comedies are written, everything first job in Mitibai College. And thank you. And I really feel nice, I mean, a lot of enthusiastic faces, and Mitibai College has given a lot of actors, writers, technicians. I mean, I know more than 50 people, they are very, very talented people. And now I can see future in your eyes, and this is a great and superb beginning. And I really salute this management and students, everyone. And I'm promising that I can be part of this activity whenever I can. Thank you very much. So again, this name also is very indicative to my life journey with Mitibai to film industry and whatever whichever girls I have Mitibai campus. It's called proximity. Proximity.
Just to announce, this is also an international entry, so therefore, thank you so much. All right.
But first, before presenting this award, the most integral part of a play is acting. So, ma'am, we would like to know how important is acting for you.
Okay, first of all, you presented me as a presenter. It's been a long time since I presented anything. I've been a jury on that comedy circus for the longest time. So let me, I'll answer that question a little later. First and foremost, I disagree. I don't think the most important part of any drama is the acting. I think everything begins, all creativity begins with the story. At least when you're in fiction, it all begins with the story. So for all you guys over here who ever contributed even 5 lines to anything that I may not have done, but anybody's ever performed on the screen, hats off to you, because the writers are the kings, and mostly they're uncrowned kings, but they are the kings of all our efforts on cinema. Then we add our little over-the-top nonsense, and then we make it all, believable, and we get all the accolades. But let me start by saying thank you so much for having me here. Honestly, I'm the reluctant guest here. Because अभी मेरे बेटे को admission मिला है, तो मैंने बोला I have to come here. Dr. Suresh, आपने बहुत मदद की है. Not that my son didn't get the marks, he got the marks. But I must say that Mitibai has been such a revelation. Meanwhile, since it's going to be a little long, thank you. Not that long too. But Dr. Vagchure, आपने बहुत मदद की है. And I must say, Mr. Principal, your speech right now was so heartening, because it's so nice to know that your young ones are in such good hands. Dr. Suresh, when I met you, I thought this is the most unusual vice principal I've ever met, because he's helpful, he's not, he's not condescending, and India may be used to, being told, Abhar baithiye. He didn't do anything of that sort. So I'm so grateful that my son is in such good hands, a college which has such a good reputation, but you always think they're going to be so strict and so formal. I found such informality here, and I found such respect, which is mutual of course, but it's so nice to know that there are caring, nurturing teachers and principals and vice principals here. So really a round of applause for Mitibai and the fraternity and your faculty, which gives great heart to us parents. And like you've complimented the parents over here, who you have given credit to for bringing the children here, who have such good sanskar, I would say. I think the college itself, I can see from the faculty itself, that they are contributing a lot to nurturing those sanskars which are there very evidently in their bringing to. And having said that, I would like to say that I am not from Mitibai, but I am from Delhi. I feel that I've been deprived, because I wanted to be a Mumbai, I wanted to experience what you have, Sanjay, and it's been a very interesting journey, of course, as was evident when you were speaking. But I'm looking forward to enjoying it vicariously through my son Ariman, who's just joined your college. These students are amazing. I have personally met Karan Thakur, I have met Yasira, and then there's Nadir, who was there, Kevin? Yeah, and this lady next to me, and all of you, so enthusiastic and so dedicated and so promising, of course, but that I think we lose it after my youth is about a year away. It's gone, just about a year away. But our youth is gone, and one thing that well, there's a famous saying that says the youth is wasted on the young. I don't think this youth is wasted on this young, because you guys are really obviously enjoying yourselves. You're innovating. You've got this new platform which is, well, for universal talent, and it is a great initiative. I'm not from the film from the film, any kind of classic education. I haven't learnt acting, or have not been to any film school. So for me, this is very, very new. I mean, I've not really attended film festivals too, but I would love to be a part of this. If next year you have this, and I would love to see your films and see how young talent is nurtured and what young talent is doing today. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you for having me here. And next time maybe I can contribute a little more. I'm not equipped to be a jury, but I can maybe help you to maybe make those little notes a little better, so that we have a little cue cards which are not scribbled on paper. Also, as an audience, I was wanting to know, if you're announcing the categories, I wanted to know which country they were from. A little more about the award, about the person who's got the award. So, thank you again, and as usual, I've spoken too much. Okay, and this is the best drama performance. And the matinee goes to Usha Praveen Gandhi College. So the matinee goes to you, young man. But are you Usha Praveen Gandhi College? I'm representing my college. And this is for the best drama. So in this, there was a short film which was based on a drama, or is it?
They performed on Shakespeare's extract.
Okay, so it is an extract from Shakespeare. So congratulations. This one you really deserve. Congratulations. When it comes to short film, kabhi nahi dekhi. I mean, it's really ridiculous to admit it, but I've admitting it. Never seen it, but done English honors in LSR, so think I'm elite enough, or think I'm educated enough to have done it. I should have done it, but starting this year, well, next year, maybe Mithibai will allow me the honor of also seeing this film before I come and give an award for it. Thank you.